My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that is coming from the site Ibaleu.click. So some people may suddenly see these strange pop-ups by the site Ibaleu.click. Keep in mind that these pop-ups are not related to any decent security program. Even though they claim that they are somehow related to the well-known program, but there is no connection between these pop-ups and any decent security software. So you should not interact with these deceptive and totally fake alerts. The real purpose of these pop-ups is not to help you with cleaning your computer, but these pop-ups instead try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So if you see these fake alerts, don't ever interact with them. Don't install anything that they suggest. I do recommend that you, of course, carefully research the control panel and uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. So if you find them, get rid of them. I also recommend that you additionally investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching and investigating your system in order to detect and eliminate other threats fully from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.